Welcome back to the Lifeline tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk you through how to manage receptionists, including how to add a new receptionist, update their settings, and handle appointments efficiently. From your Lifeline dashboard, head over to the Users section and select Receptionists. Here you'll see a list of all the receptionists currently added to your system. To add a new receptionist, click on the Add Receptionist button at the top right. This opens a detailed form divided into 4 main sections that need to be filled out carefully. The first section is personal information. Here, enter the receptionist's first and last name, email address, phone number, ID number, gender, and date of birth. Make sure these details are accurate, as they'll be used for profile identification and communication within the system. Next is the professional details section. Here, you'll see an option labeled hospital level. If this is enabled, it means the receptionist can assist any doctor in the hospital. If it's not enabled, the receptionist will be specific to a particular department only. Make sure to set this correctly based on your workflow. In this section, you'll select the department, designation, and assign shift. You'll also set the joining date and working days of the receptionist. When choosing a shift, you'll see an option to set it as admin managed or doctor managed. If it's doctor managed, the shift automatically follows the assigned doctor's schedule. If it's admin managed, the admin sets the receptionist's working hours. The third section covers salary and payroll. Here you can enter the receptionist's basic salary, which helps link the receptionist's data with your payroll and accounting system for smooth salary processing. Finally, in the address details section, add the receptionist's complete address, including city, state, postal code, and country. Once all 4 sections are filled out, double-check the information and click Submit. The new receptionist will now appear in your receptionist list. Now that we've added a receptionist, let's look at how to edit their details, manage appointments, and assign doctors. You can edit any receptionist simply by clicking on their name in the list. Here you can modify personal or professional details as needed, or even add new address information. To update their basic information, click the Edit option on the right side. In the same section, you can also manage the receptionist's degree and certification details. To add certification, click on Add New Certification. Now enter the certification name, the organization, and the issue and expiry dates. These details help maintain a complete record of each receptionist's professional credentials. Once everything is filled in, click Submit to save the certification. You can add multiple certifications here if needed, or delete old ones using the Delete icon. Next, to add degree, click Add New Degree. A short form will open. Here, you'll enter the degree or qualification name, the level. For example, bachelor's, diploma, or certificate, and the institution name. Then add the graduation date. Finally, click Submit to save it. All saved degrees will appear in the list below, giving you a clear academic profile for each receptionist. Next to Details is Appointments tab. The Appointments section shows all the appointments linked to that receptionist, including scheduled, upcoming, and completed ones. You can also search appointments by a specific date or within a selected time period, making it easy to track daily or weekly schedules. Click on Assign Doctors. Under the Assign Doctors tab, you can manage which doctors the receptionist works with. For each doctor already assigned, you'll see Assign and Unassign buttons right in front of their name. You can use these to quickly assign or remove that doctor from the receptionist's list. If you want to assign a new doctor, click the Assign Doctor button on the right side of the screen. Then select the doctor from the available list and click Add. If the receptionist is set as general or hospital level, they can be assigned to any doctor across departments. If they belong to a specific department, they can only be linked to doctors within that department. The doctor will be added to the assigned doctors list. Finally, let's go over the configuration section for the receptionist. In the General Configuration tab, you can edit key details like the joining date, salary, designation, and department of the receptionist. You'll also find an important option here, whether the receptionist is admin managed or doctor managed. Here, you can also choose whether the receptionist is hospital level. If this is enabled, they become a general receptionist who can assist any doctor across departments. If it's disabled, you'll need to assign a specific department and designation, making them department-based. Next, in Manage Departments, you can assign the receptionist as a manager for one or more departments. Finally, the Schedule tab. Here you can view all of the receptionist's assigned shifts. If the receptionist is doctor managed, this section will display the doctor's schedule they follow. To manually assign a shift, click Assign Shift. Select the shift and then select the weekdays for the receptionist and click Save. The shift will be added to the receptionist's schedule. And that wraps up this tutorial on managing receptionists in Lifeline. You now know how to add, edit, and configure receptionists, from schedules to departments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next Lifeline walkthrough. Thanks for watching.